Basically, I've been under care of a urologist for every year. Since I've been 60 years old, every year I go, and I'm 75, so I've been followed my PSA for several years, and it's remained reasonably normal, 3, 4, 5, then it went up to 8. It stayed at 8 for several years, and then finally went to 10.7. They said, hey, time to do something. You can have your choice of radiation or cut it out, and I chose to go to the radiation. Most of them are linear accelerator based machines, and they're very, very good machines, and the critical thing for a person to decide is how the team is going to take care of you. And the doctor, of course, being the head of the team, is the focal point, the place where you interview, and I interviewed with several. This was the best because, and I'll tell you, the machines being equal, they have a complete team. I've met most of them. I'm very satisfied with the treatments that are going on here and the attention that I'm getting and the answers to questions that I'm getting. Once a day for 9 weeks. That's 45 treatments. And that means you got to be there every day at that particular time. Well, you walk in, you take your shoes off, you get on the table. They have a cast for your legs, which holds your legs in place. On the initial visit, they implant a couple of tattoo marks on your side so they can line the machine up with markers and hit the prostate on target. They make you feel like you're in good hands, and they tell you, hey, it's going to be about a 90% chance of success. What more can you ask for?